Now let's talk about the uses of light waves. Visible light waves have a wavelength larger than ultraviolet and smaller than infrared. So here's infrared, here's ultraviolet, and visible light sits in the middle just here, with a sort of middle frequency and a middle wavelength. Now many of the uses of visible light waves come from the fact that they are the electromagnetic waves that we can see. But it turns out there's other uses for light waves too. Visible light waves can be used for communicating through optical fibres. Optical fibres give us high-speed connections for computers. Another use is in cameras. When visible light hits photographic film, it causes a reaction which creates an image. So this camera lets lots of light go into it. This light goes in and hits the sensitive part of the photographic film, creating part of the image. Of course, a major use of light is that we use visible light to illuminate things, for example with a torch. So if it is dark, we use something that emits light to help us see. Let's move to some of the more high frequency electromagnetic waves now. Let's move on to ultraviolet waves. Ultraviolet waves have wavelengths just smaller than the wavelengths that we can see. So we can see this range of wavelengths here, but we can't quite see any of these ultraviolet waves. Many uses of ultraviolet waves come from us not actually being able to see them. So for example, someone who steals a marked phone might not know that it is marked.
Hey guys, to continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific GCSE physics and combined science videos, just click on the Snap Revise smiley face. Join me today and let's make physics at GCSE a walk in the park.